These are the casino tower elevators here at Circus Circus, Las Vegas. These elevators are getting modernized. Dated up here. These were originally US elevators, US square buttons. This cab just might be original. But yeah, OTIS is currently modernizing these again. So I got here just in time because just one car is getting modded. I love these buttons. See, this one is getting modernized. There's a new call button right there. Yes, US doors. Look at how outdated it is up here. Oh shit. Man. Going down? Yep. So that was a final ride on these elevators. That'll be it.